We are like these flowers. We are beautiful. We are unique. But this world has its own way to destroy us. Plucking our petals one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Family problems, relationship problems, financial problems, broken heart, slanderers, gossips, whatever it is. Until such time that we feel we are crushed and we are nothing. But in 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 10, it says that the God of all grace, who called us to His eternal glory through Christ Jesus, though we suffered a little while, is going to restore us, uphold us, make us firm, strong, and steadfast. In whom are you putting your trust? As stated in 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7, casting all your cares upon Him, for He cares for you. All we have to do is cast our cares, our concerns, our everything to the Lord, and He cares for us. Thank you. Shalom, shalom. Have a great day.